Is it on?
Yes.
Okay.
Hey, it's Miss Billman.
And Mrs. Smith.
And we're going to open up some Tokidoki. I think it's pronounced with a
Tokidoki?
Tokidoki.
I'm not sure, to be honest.
There are 3 options, being Donatina, Donatella, and Biscottino.
Oh, it's like a biscotti.
Oh, okay.
Bisca-
They're all adorable.
Biscottino. There's only 3, so it says collect all 3. There's only 3 of them. But this is series 1. And what I was feeling, I'm thinking is 2 of them have a donut around the neck, and then Donatella has a donut around her waist. So mine definitely feels like a neck. Let me see if it's the cat or Donatina. I hope it's Donatina because Evie already has the cat.
That's the videographer, but
Biscottino.
Yeah, I think Donatella. I feel like there might be 2.
I don't know.
I really don't know. But
Okay.
Tokidoki means sometimes in Japanese. So I guess Tokidoki, I'm right on these.
Okay, how are you feeling? Pretty good? Tokidoki? No, that's
Tokidoki.
Okay, I'll try to work that into my
today.
daily convos. I think I have Donatina, which is this one.
I think I might have
That's what
Donatella.
I have.
I think I might have
Okay.
Donatella.
I think you should go first. This is Miss Billman's birthday week. Woo-woo! And so we have a surprise every day. Yesterday we had our emoji barrettes. Yeah, so we have matching barrettes, emoji barrettes. Today it's this blind bag.
okay.
Birthday
so
week.
going first.
It was upside down!
Oh, that's the one I thought I had.
Oh, it was upside. Okay, what I thought
Oh.
were the donuts was this bow.
I might have the cat then.
I have.
Aww.
It is super squishy, super soft.
Okay.
Oh,
Wait.
it's
Isn't
so
it cute? Is it too big for the
Okey-dokey.
lanyard? If I have the same
Never
one.
too big.
Stop! We're twins!
Oh my
Get out of my
gosh.
head!
I mean, it's
Oh
a
my
1/3 chance, right?
33%
Probability,
chance.
right? 33% chance that we had the same one, and
It's
we
so cute.
do.
Oh, I wish it was real so I could.
Oh, is it adorable?
Cute.
Okay, so
Never too big for the
totally
lanyard.
goes on the lanyard, and then I'm gonna give mine to Evie after. Evie,
Nah.
Evie,
I want to pet it. I want
wait.
to pet it.
Okay, tune in
Next time.
Next time.
When we open up another one.
Yes, and
Tokidoki.
videographer.
Keep it
Evie, what?
Tokidoki.
Keep it sometimes. Let's make
Keep it
that a
sometimes.
thing. Okay.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.